to upgrade your life to her means how to upgrade your life to your very best self. It's very simple. You just have to upgrade your moves. Hi there, my name is H.E.R and I'm a certified life coach and a mindset expert for women, especially women of color. In this video today, I'll be sharing with you the exact things that you need to do to make sure that you upgrade your life to your very best version. But before I do that, if you are new here, I want you to go down below and comment and let me know so far what have you learned in this channel. Also, leave me a thumbs up and share this video with your friends and family because sharing is scary. So, many people want to upgrade their lives. They want to change their lives, but they get stuck because they have no idea where to really start to make this process happen, right? So, today is about to be over if you are part of those people who have been stuck forever because you have been in confusion and not knowing the steps to take to make this change happen. Because I'll be sharing everything with you so that you know exactly what to do. You should also note that this video is a first part series of many others where I'll be sharing more into how to really change and upgrade your life. So upgrading your life is not a one-size-fits-all process. And this is why I'll be giving you the tools so that you can personalize it to your own needs to make sure your upgrade is really aligned to who you are being. When it comes to upgrading your life, to her means the best version of yourself, you really have to take into consideration 3 areas of your life. Because those 3 areas that I'm about to share with you are the areas that really contain all the aspects of your life. And you will realize it in a minute. Those 3 areas are your physical life, your personal life, and your professional life. The physical area of your life includes your individual spirituality, means the relationship between you and God. The second, it has your your mental health, the way that your brain functions, the way that your thoughts processes things. Third is the physical aspect of your life, means that your body, how your body functions when you eat, when you exercise, all those things. The second area of your life, which is the personal area of your life, includes your community spirituality, means the relationship that you have with your pastor, the relationship that you have with your church members, or other spiritual clubs that you are part of. And second, it has also the relationships that you have with your friends and also the relationships that you have with your family, co-workers, and your neighbors, any acquaintance that are part of your life. The third one, which is your professional life, it includes everything that is in regard to exchange of values, means your career or any clients that you have as an entrepreneur or any provider or contractor that you have in your business. So your professional life is all about everything that has a certain exchange of value for knowledge or a skill. When it comes to really upgrade your life to her, means the very best version of yourself, it's not only about knowing those 3 areas of your life that you have to focus on, but there are 2 main key elements that are very important, which I'll be sharing more about in the next videos I'll be sharing with you in the show. Those 2 elements are the purpose behind the upgrade, and the second, how you fill in the gap between where you are right now and where you want to be. But while you wait for me to come up with all those videos to share more with you, I want to leave you with a gift today. I want you to click the link down below in the description box where you can click and get your free ebook all about how to live your best life to help you start upgrading your life today. So if you love that video, I want you to share with me what was your best intake so that I know exactly what you need me to talk more about in this show. And second, I want you to leave me a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends because they also need to upgrade their lives. Maybe they have been stuck, but today we are getting them unstuck. So, before I leave you today, let's just do a recap. The three areas you need to focus on so that you can upgrade your life to her means the best version of your life. First, the physical area of your life. Second, the personal area of your life. Third, the professional area of your life. And all this, you need to have a purpose behind them and also see where the gap is to fill them out so that you can get from where you are now and where you want to be means to becoming her. Thank you. I'll see you next time.